discuss the requirements to be complied by a ship under MARPOL Annex 6. MARPOL Annex 6 reduces air pollution from ship by establishing emission control areas (ECAs) with stricter sulfur limits, 0.10% maximum, implementing a global 0.50 maximum sulfur cap, and setting nitrogen oxide emission limits. Ship must be obtained EPP and IEPP certificates to demonstrate compliance. Alternative technologies like scrubber are allowed and detailed records must be kept. The aim is to significantly reduce sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide emission from ship, improving global air quality.